Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in.
Today we will be discussing Google DeepMind's new WeatherNext 2 AI forecasting system, which has just been integrated into core Google products, offering dramatically improved weather predictions with enterprise access options. Google DeepMind has taken a significant leap forward in AI-powered weather forecasting with the release of WeatherNext 2. Announced yesterday, this next-generation model delivers weather predictions that are not only more accurate than its predecessor, but also process information 8 times faster. What makes this update particularly noteworthy is that Google is moving beyond research and directly implementing the technology into their everyday consumer products. If you use Google Search, Gemini, a Pixel phone, or Google Maps, you'll now be getting weather information powered by this advanced AI system. Peter Battaglia from Google DeepMind explained the company's confidence in the technology, stating, "We're taking it out of the lab because we have confidence that our forecasts are really quite effective." This marks a significant shift from treating AI weather forecasting as an experimental technology to making it a core part of Google's ecosystem. The technical improvements are substantial. WeatherNext 2 can generate hundreds of potential weather scenarios in under a minute using just a single TPU or tensor processing unit. It employs what's called a Functional Generative Network architecture, which allows it to model various possible weather outcomes simultaneously. This approach helps account for the inherent uncertainty in weather prediction while still providing highly accurate forecasts. For everyday users, this means more reliable weather information when planning your day or week. The system can forecast weather conditions up to 15 days in advance with hourly resolution, surpassing the previous model on 99.9% of variables and prediction timeframes. Beyond consumer applications, Google is making WeatherNext 2 available to enterprise customers through multiple platforms. Organizations working in energy, logistics, and other weather-dependent sectors can access the technology through Google Earth Engine, BigQuery, and through an early access program on Vertex AI. This integration means businesses can incorporate highly accurate weather predictions directly into their operations and decision-making processes. For example, energy operators could better anticipate demand based on temperature forecasts, while logistics companies might reroute deliveries to avoid severe weather conditions. The timing of this release coincides with growing industry recognition that AI-powered forecasting systems are beginning to rival or even surpass traditional numerical weather prediction methods in certain aspects. By making this technology widely available, Google is positioning itself as a leader in applying artificial intelligence to meteorology. What sets WeatherNext 2 apart from traditional forecasting systems is its ability to learn from patterns in historical weather data, satellite imagery, and ground-based observations. Rather than solely relying on physics-based models that simulate atmospheric conditions, the AI approach can identify subtle relationships that might be missed by conventional methods. The development of WeatherNext 2 represents years of research and refinement from Google's AI teams. The original WeatherNext model demonstrated that neural networks could effectively model complex atmospheric dynamics, but this second iteration makes significant improvements in both speed and accuracy. For developers interested in building with this technology, Google is offering several integration points. The early access program through Vertex AI will be particularly valuable for companies looking to incorporate weather predictions into their own applications and services. The Weather API in Google Maps will also benefit from the enhanced forecasting capabilities, allowing third-party developers to access more accurate weather data for location-based services and applications. While Google isn't the only tech company working on AI weather forecasting, this wide-scale deployment across their product ecosystem represents one of the most significant commercial applications of machine learning in meteorology to date. As climate patterns become increasingly variable, having access to more accurate forecasting technology becomes increasingly important for both individuals and businesses. Google's approach of democratizing access to these AI predictions through widely used consumer products could have far-reaching impacts on how people plan their activities and how organizations make weather-dependent decisions.
Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.